wheel then from the UK.
This guy is one of those guys who can just turn it on.
Yes, another update from the van, but luckily it does not smell anymore, so this is fantastic. It's rained, which is also fantastic. We're accompanied by Marquito, aka Junior, aka Scared to Talk To. Who? Christina. Anyway. Sorry, bro.
Don't post this.
We're on our way to Damalia again to ride some more motorbikes. We've just spent this morning servicing the Honda. We've upjetted it.
I have spent this morning servicing. I was just Greek helping.
You were
just watching.
Marco was holding spanners and ratchet spanners and just spinning them next to my head for encouragement. So that was great. Yeah, we're going to meet dirt bike Manny at the quarry. Maybe Nodas, maybe Philippus, probably not because he's scared of rain. Oh, that's a tight little hole.
Potato might come with his new bike. Ella, you're all good.
Fucking tight here. Yeah, that's the update. Ciao. Yo, we're here. Conditions are prime. Jose's turned up on the KLE. Cheer, boy. Go on, hit the jump, hit the jump. You give her?
Yeah, I'm good, yeah.
Sick, sick. Yeah, buzzing. Jose's on the fix up. Philippus has turned up. Miracles do happen. Dirt bike Manny's turned up with the YCFs and he's kicking off. I did there. We need to fix up that takeoff there. It's pretty rough. Oh, that one's rough.
Yeah.
And that one over there, that's pretty rough and all.
Huh?